Mal, good morning.
Good morning. So, Kunal, Trump is effectively talking about the U.S. control over Venezuelan oil flows. So, how disruptive, is this for global crude markets? And are we really underpricing geopolitical risk in oil right now?
Yes, I've been following the development and what the statement from the Exxon and the Chevron are indicating that if US wants to extract oil from the Venezuela, they need proper protection guarantee from the Trump administration. So they have to, because they have invested in Venezuela quite a few times, and both times when they have invested, their assets were confiscated by Venezuela. So they were not happy with whatever had happened. So they will be a little skeptical going forward. So it seems that Trump has to provide them adequate protection, and then I think there is a possibility of they can extract more and more oil from Venezuela. So it is subject to the protection what they are getting, but it seems very clear that Trump wants to have a hold of Venezuelan oil, and I think. That is definitely going to be disruptive. If the oil flow increases, then the pressure on oil will definitely going to go up. So I believe that in a shorter term, there is no possibility that oil flow will start to hit the market at least in next 3 to 4 months, because it takes a lot of time for restarting the idle capacity and to extract and to pump more oil and to get back into market. So overall, the process is going to take a while, 3 to 6 months or perhaps even 8 months. So till that time, I don't think so it's going to have a major impact on oil prices, because ever since we've seen announcement by Trump, we have not seen any impact on the oil prices. They are more over flat. Even after it's been more than a week right now, and there is no major impact on the prices of oil. So I think in near term, it's not going to have any major impact. In longer run, how much Venezuelan oil, more oil is coming into the market, that is going to have impact on the prices. So it's not clear right now.
So you are anticipating and you are suggesting that there will be no short-term, effects on the prices of the oil. So Kunal, if US companies begin refining and also selling Venezuelan crude oil directly, so does this really distort the global supply chains as well? And like you said that no short-term, impact will be seen. But who will be the losers then? Will it be like OPEC, China, or the emerging market importers?
See, right now the biggest loser seems to be China, because it seemed that China was one of those countries who had interested and invested in Venezuela. I think I was just referring to a data: $60 billion of investment was done by China in Venezuela. So in this scenario, China is the one who's losing. Venezuela basically produces heavy grade of crude oil, and so for that, refining that heavy grade, very few refineries in the world, in US, in China also they have. But I think in this entire equation right now, the biggest loser seems to be China.